Welcome back, everyone. Today we are tackling one of the most requested features on any website, the FAQ accordion. Having a clean, interactive, frequently asked questions section keeps your page tidy and helps your visitors find answers instantly. We are going to build a custom animated accordion right inside Webflow, so let us jump straight into the designer. First, we need to set up our basic structure. Grab a div block and drop it onto your page. This will be our main container, so let us give it a class name like FAQ item. Inside this main container, we need two more div blocks. The first one will be our question wrapper, which will hold your question text and maybe a little plus icon. The second one will be our answer wrapper, which will hold a paragraph element containing your actual response. Now for the crucial styling step. Select your answer wrapper and head over to the style panel on the right side of your screen. You need to set its height to exactly 0 pixels, and then change the overflow setting to hidden. This completely hides the answer text from view, making your list look neat and collapsed when the page first loads. To make it actually open, we need to use Webflow interactions. Select your question wrapper and head up to the interactions panel in the top right corner, which looks like a little lightning bolt. Create a new element trigger and choose mouse click. For the first click action, choose to start an animation. You'll target your answer wrapper and set an action to change its size. We want the height to animate from 0 pixels to auto. This smooth animation will make the box slide open perfectly to fit whatever text is inside. Finally, we just need to let the user close it. Under that exact same interaction menu, go to the second click action. Create another animation targeting that same answer wrapper, but this time animate the height right back down to 0 pixels. And that's literally it. You now have a fully functional, smooth opening FAQ accordion. You can duplicate this FAQ item structure as many times as you need for all your questions. If this tutorial helped you clean up your website layout today, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fast and easy Webflow tips. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover how to rotate a plus icon into a minus sign when the accordion opens, and I'll see you in the next video.